less than 7 hours before I have to leave for the airport, and I haven't packed, haven't cleaned the house, haven't done anything that I need to do beforehand. Plus, I have to film, and everything takes longer when you're filming. Wish me luck. But I thought it was a good opportunity to kind of do a how to prepare for vacation, how to prepare for a trip type video where I bring you along with me while I do every single thing I do pre-travel day and on a travel day. Usually we take early AM flights, but we're actually taking a night flight this time around. So typically I would do all of these things the day before we leave, but since we have a later flight, I'm getting it all done now. We have a long list of things that we have to do. So I gotta pack, gotta charge all my electronics, gotta do my nails if I have time. I have to clean and set everything up for our cat and cat sitter while we're gone. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with packing because if all else fails, at least I'm packed and ready for our flight. Anything else can wait. If our house is a little messy, so be it. If my nails aren't done, so be it, but at least I'll be packed for our trip. I'm gonna start with charging all my electronics so they're nice and charged by the time we leave so that I can pack them fully charged. I believe everything that I need electronic-wise for this trip is being charged. Luckily, I don't have to bring all of my camera gear for this trip. Usually I have to bring a lot more gear and charge a lot more, but for this trip, I really only need my GoPro and my phone, which is nice. While we're in my office, I have my luggage and all of like travel essentials in my office closet, so I'm gonna get those to pack as well. I have this extra large suitcase that is an older suitcase in my closet, and this is where I keep all of my travel essentials that I don't use at home and that I really only use for trips. So like snorkel gear is in here, my Mickey ears are in here for Disney trips, I've got camping and hiking gear in here. So there are a few things that I need that I know are in here for this trip. Next up on my list, one quick load of laundry. It's dry, it's now gotta fold and put away. I needed socks clean for this trip, so laundry was not an option. While I'm folding laundry, I also feel like it's worth noting that my travel day prep really started last night when I did some beauty maintenance routine items so that I don't have to bring any of those beauty maintenance items with me on the trip because it's less to pack. So I did like facial hair removal last night. This morning I shaved my legs, so those are all shaved. I won't have to bring any shaving essentials on the trip with me. And then another thing that I find really helps me keep calm on my travel days and before my travel days, because I do struggle with travel anxiety, is to keep my routine the day before or the day of as much as possible. So this morning I did my full morning routine. I cleaned, I did a Devo, I worked out, I listened to a podcast while I got ready. I did my everyday daily morning routine so that I felt some sort of normalcy, even though it's a travel day. And that's also when I started this load of laundry. Laundry's done, so now I'm going to pack all my clothes, which shouldn't take too long, should only take like 10 minutes max because I already have all my clothes picked out for the trip, so I just have to put them in the packing cubes and put them in my suitcase. Side note, it's actually really nice filming while I pack because it holds me accountable and like forces me to not sit down and procrastinate. So thanks for holding me accountable. All right, it is now noon, 12 o'clock. We have 4.5 hours before we have to go to the airport. Next, I am going to pack my personal item. It has a bottom compartment too. As you can see, it's zipped off. Then I'm gonna pack my toiletries in. I'm going to pack my personal item quick. All of my electronics are charged that I plugged in earlier this morning. So now I'm going to put them into my personal item. FYI, this is the bottom compartment that I mentioned. Setting it to the side to pack my toiletries in later. Fully charged laptop, pen, handheld fan. I once flew on a hot flight and had it in my personal item and was so thankful that now I never travel without it in my personal item. Also, I got a new one. This is a different one than I've shown in other videos because I wanted to test out a new brand. So it's super cute, beige cream color. Into the personal item. Noise canceling headphones, travel pill case with allergy medication and ibuprofen, portable charger and charging cords, laptop charger. Then I have one of my mini weekender keychains that I put some travel essentials in. So I'll open that up. Right now I have some lens wipes in there and I'm going to put a bunch more in because for all my glasses wearing girlies, sunglass girlies, you know that lens wipes, you need a lot of them, especially when you're in hot, humid weather. A couple ponytails, zip that up, and then I'm going to clip it to the front of my personal item bag so that I have super easy access to those essentials. Also going to clip this keychain hand sanitizer to the front so that I have easy access to that when we're flying and in the airport. Really cute. Then I have my clear quart size liquids bag that I'm going to put in there, as well as a few extra liquids that I want to bring with but don't have room for, so I'm definitely going to pawn them off to my husband's clear quart size bag. Sunscreen, another sunscreen, self tanner, going to my husband because he travels with significantly less liquid products than I do. Hand sanitizer wipes, glasses case, prescription and non-prescription sunglasses because I haven't decided if I want to wear contacts or not. So I'm bringing both. Sometimes I do put these in my personal item if we're taking a daytime flight, but because we're not, I'm gonna put them in my carry-on because I won't need them tonight. That's what I decided. And then I have all of my wallet essentials, very important, like ID, credit cards, insurance cards, and some cash. And I'm gonna keep this on the top of my personal item so that it's really accessible, especially in the airport when I need my ID multiple times. Just like that, my personal item is packed. I just need to pack my toiletries now, and then I can start cleaning and prepping the house before we go. Oh, and before I clean our house, I am going to pack us some snacks for the flights there and back. So we'll do that downstairs when we're cleaning. Took a break to eat lunch and to book our hotel tonight because, long story short, we were supposed to leave tomorrow and then we decided to leave tonight because the flight was more open. We're flying standby and the hotel's still not booked. I changed my name not very long ago legally after getting married, and all of my hotel loyalty program names and my bank names and the name that's on my ID are all different and messed up, and it's so tedious to fix them all. The plan that I was gonna do is not gonna work because of the name change situation. So I think I'm just gonna book us a hotel when we get to the airport because I gotta clean here first, and that can be done either on the way to the airport or at the gate when we're waiting. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer, but you know what? We're gonna try to stay calm and not stress out because we'll be fine. So now I have to clean. We're only gonna be gone a few nights, so we don't have like a cat sitter coming to stay with our cat, but my mom is gonna come check on him in a couple of days, kind of like refill his waters, do the litter box and everything. So I need to write a note for her and clean the counters and toilets for when she's here, lint roll the couch, vacuum, all those little things so that it's nice and clean when she's here, and then it'll be nice and clean when we get home too. It's kind of the nice thing about having a pet when you're traveling, is that it forces you to clean the house for the pet sitter to come, and then you come home to a clean house, which is really nice. But I gotta do that, and it is currently 2:30, so we have exactly 2 hours before we have to leave this house for the airport. I wish I could have booked that hotel. Luckily though, for our standby flight, there's like 70 open seats as of right now, so we should be good. We should be good to take that flight. It's pretty empty. So that's a plus side, but I don't know where we're gonna sleep. Hopefully we're not sleeping on the airport floor tonight. Funny, not funny. All right, back to work. That was satisfying. Whenever we leave him here for a few days alone, I just fill bread pans up with extra food. I'm gonna fill one with water too, so he has plenty of water while he's here alone. And I gave him a little treat because we're leaving and I feel guilty. And just like that, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I hope that this was interesting, looking at like how I prepare for a trip. And now I need to go wash up and change before our flight after cleaning. My phone is also about to die, so I have to go charge that before we leave. So I'm gonna say goodbye quick. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. So for now, ciao.